Good morning, everyone. This is Mahmood Kashif. Today, I'm here with a very useful topic, which is 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, a wonderful book written by Stephen Covey. And I thought I quickly summarize and recall these 7 habits, good for me as well, of course. The first one is be proactive. So if you are working, be proactive in your task instead of delaying, instead of waiting for other person will take action. Take your action and be proactive in doing things. If certain things are in your responsibility, take proactive actions. Don't wait that the other person will do this and that, and then if it is your part, if it is you need to do, then do it. Ask questions in advance. And be proactive. And the second habit is begin with the end in the mind. So this is really useful skill, habit, because if you are working towards it also gives us an idea that we need to have the end goal and objective, the mission or purpose in our mind, whatever we are doing. So if you are working towards your goal, for example, if you want to buy a house, if you want to have a car, or if you want to have working for your retirement, if you are working for your but some people don't have any purpose, then it becomes very hard to understand. So have some kind of short-term or long-term goal, whatever goal you want to have, and work towards it. And if you start your week on Monday, have that purpose in your mind that you are starting another week. Freshen yourself up, and start your day or week like any new day, and begin with the end in mind. That's what I mean. And then you will get so much energy, so much passion towards your objective or mission or goal, whatever you are doing. And then number 3, success. According to Stephen Covey, the habit of highly effective people is put first thing first. Now, we need to work according to priorities. We need to work according to what is important for us to achieve our goals, or our organization, or our family, or our project, or anything what you do. Put first thing first. If something you need to do it today, which is important for you, then do it. Don't wait. Instead of doing other tasks which are not really, and because they are easy, you want to handle it. No, you want to handle things which are important and needs to be done. So put first thing first. That's the number 3 habit from Stephen Covey for highly effective people. Number 4 is think win-win. When you find a solution, don't always think about actually do not think about just win and lose solution. Think about win-win solution. Think about how can I achieve a deal which is good for the other person and good for me, and good for you as well. Because in this way, the chances of deal happening is better, which is chances of agreement is better, because the other person should also get benefit. That's a positive way of handling things, it becomes a win-win deal and it will be more secure. It will be more robust. It will be more on a long-term basis. It will give both parties more benefit, and there is a chance that it can be between husband and wife. It can be between the family, or anything really, or in the projects, in your work environment, or so always think about win-win solution. So number 5th habit is seek first to understand, then to be understood. So seek first to understand means be a good listener. It is a difficult habit. It is a difficult habit to form, but it is what the experience tells us. Listening is one of the most important things, that we need to understand first the other person, and then to be understood. Right? Then we can expect the other person will understand myself. So these are the listening. This is one of the most important skill. Number 6 is synergize. Collaborate with other people, build relationships, synergize your skills with the other people. One person cannot be skillful for so many. So one is a very small is number, and so many people try to do just by themselves. It doesn't work. It will not work. You can do certain things up to certain extent, of course, but when you help other people, when you work with other people, when 2-3 minds sit together within a family or outside a family, like-minded people, then the synergy will happen and big things can be created. Number 7 skill is sharpen the saw. Now, sharpen the saw is really important, and I am total believer of this skill, that we have to read, we have to learn from the people who are ahead in the game, the people who are coaches, the people who are mentors, the people who are, and we need to humble ourselves to learn more. We need to be a student of life. We need to be so we need to continuously learning ourselves. That is what Stephen Covey says: sharpen the saw. That always you should be thinking, if you are trying to achieve a certain goal, how you can improve your skills, how you can, and that's what you do when you are in a humble, in a learning mode. With this, I am done. Wish you a wonderful week, and productive week, and fantastic week, and a beautiful morning today. So I wish you all the best, and see you in the next video.